Semino, hello everybody. Today we're going to do another Q&A session.
Semino, this is our Mongolian class,
Yeah.
and then, as Nara said, today we're going to answer
A question. Yeah.
So we received quite a few questions, but we only can do one question each time. So Nara is going to read the question.
Yes.
Would you please read a bit loudly and slowly?
I have a small question. The bottom form of the sometimes column of some syllables of the alphabet has two writing styles. So, is there any regulation about writing skill?
Okay, so what Nara said is the bottom form of
And
Yeah, by the way, would you want to say something to the absolute beginners, first time come to this site?
If you're an absolute beginner, no background knowledge, you should go to episode 1, components.
Yeah. Okay, so this is for people who already started learning the alphabet.
Yeah, and you've watched all our videos and stuff.
And I have some question, okay?
Yeah.
So as Nara said, the bottom form of the Mongolian alphabet is classical Mongolian alphabet is have three shapes, right?
Yeah.
What's this?
Top, middle, bottom.
Yeah, top, middle, bottom. So today's question is about this bottom shape.
Yeah.
Because as you can see here, bottom shape of the A and bottom shape of the is have two different shapes.
Yeah.
One is
The tail.
one is
Leash.
leash. Yeah. So the question is there any regulation?
Yeah, is there
Any-
a vowel harmony thing?
Yeah, is there any kind of rule?
Yeah.
Or people just randomly using it? If people randomly using it, that makes sense, all right?
No.
They only need one, but because the A and have two different shape here, so when you are going to use the shape 1,
Yeah.
and then when you're going to use shape 2.
Yeah.
There are some rule here.
Yeah.
I'm going to explain it to you, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Before that, let me make the question a bit clear. This is A. We call it tail
Yeah.
number 1. It's called
Tail number
yeah.
1.
And then this is A 2. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This is one shape. This is the second shape. I think the person who asked this question, he already know both of them are A.
Yeah.
You will not get confused with this one.
Yeah.
Your question is when we going to use this one and then
Yeah.
when use this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the rule. Here's the rule. Now we start with the shape number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shape number 2 have a very clear rule. So you use this shape number 2
Yeah.
only after the B, F, K, G, H.
Yeah.
As I wrote here, I think you can see it, alright?
Yeah.
So for example, can I have a different color?
Yeah.
Could you please open this one for me? Did you see a small spider?
I saw it's like a small spider on there, but
Yeah.
oh, well.
Yeah, that's why Nara is looking behind this.
Yeah.
There's a small spider.
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. That's not the part of the answer. Okay. Okay, so here is the A and Here is the A. So we're using this one.
Yeah.
This shape 2, alright?
Yeah.
We'll used after B,
B,
F,
F,
K,
K,
G,
G.
or H,
Yeah.
and then you will add a teeth, alright?
Yeah.
So, yeah, for example, du, ur, b, duruf, ug,
Uga.
ug.
Ug.
So, for example, here, this is du,
Du.
ur,
Ur.
b,
B.
Yeah, here, you use this shape, okay?
Yeah.
So, all the rest of them are same.
Yeah.
Yeah. This shape is also used after un,
Yeah.
ul, ur, ug.
Ug.
But in this case, you have to write it separately.
Yeah.
You see? separately is not connected.
Because they're cushions.
Yeah, it's not connected. You have to write it like this.
Yeah.
For example, woman, muna is sauce, each other, tur. Yeah, tur, that one. Or uya. Uya is this one. Joint.
Oh, joint.
Yeah, joint.
Yeah.
So I will write one of them here. For example, could you please hold this one for us? Thank you. So for example, this is n. This n. When you write after n, you should write like this. Mu. No, you will add this dot and then like this, and then you will connect it together. Mu. No. Yeah. So all rest of them are same.
Yeah.
After n, y. Yeah. You will use number 2, but separately.
Yeah.
So you only need to remember this number 2.
Yeah.
Rest of them are use tail.
Yeah.
For example, rest of them for using the tail, like this one. You see here, shape number 2.
Yeah.
N, shape number 2. Shape number 2. Shape number 2. Yeah. So these rules are confusing. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know Nara's got confused. Everyone's got confused. Then you need to do a lot of practice. Okay. Yeah. Even me, when I was small, as a native Mongolian speaker, we have to do a tremendous amount of homework to remember these stuffs. Okay. Yeah. So here I only can briefly explain it, but the thing you should do is practice.
Yeah.
And then you'd better have a dictionary
Yeah.
to check out each difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you will find this rule. Okay?
Yeah.
This is today's Q&A time.
Yeah.
Would you wanna say?
Birthday.
Birthday. See you next time.
See you next time.